The next part is about strings. Strings are among the most popular types in Python. We can create them simply by enclosing a sequence of characters in the pair of quotes. So it's very simple, like we have string Python programming, right? So it's very familiar with you right now because we have to deal with it many times. So we have the type of the variable here is a string, and you also can tell the length of the string by the length function is 18, right? 18, it had 18 characters. The Python did not support a character type, so that means you cannot say like a single character, something like that. So these are treated as a string of the length 1, just also considered as a substring. So like you see here, the type of C, is string, and the length of the C is 1. Okay, so the next interesting thing I would like to teach you is access the value in a string. So let's say here we have the string Python programming. So you want to extract a substring like the Python, for example. So you say the string and the square bracket 6 colon 0 colon 6. So it means that you extract the characters, the substring, from the index 0 to the index 6. No, to the index 5, actually, the index 5. Because the 6 here indicate the end of the string, so it's put like the nothing, so it's from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and stop. So you see, so you can see the length of the string here is 6, right? And the index from 0 to 5. The length is 6, but the index is from 0 to 5. Okay, if the index is the beginning or is the end of the string, so you don't need to specify it. So that means here you can omit the 0 if you know that it's the start of the string, and you still have the same thing, the Python, and the similar thing for the end of the string. You start from the index 7 and to the end, so you have the programming substring. The next thing is about the built-in methods. So Python provide many built-in methods for string. Actually, there are so many of them that I cannot have enough time to tell you all. So please take a look at the textbook here. Here, for example, I can show you the lower str, the lower, for example. So we call it like this, and you see the Python programming, you see all the characters here is a lowercase, and another interesting methods is upper. So you see, yeah, you change every character to the uppercase. I suggest you to take a look at the textbook and do your own programming with this function. I list here, there are so many of them, so please try to do practicing with it. The next is about the string special operators. So let's say we have here concatenation, the repetition, the membership, the slide, and the rank slide we already told about. And here let me do some example. Let's say we have the A equal to hello, sorry, we have to use the same quotation, so you should reverse that. If you use start with the single quotation, you should end with the single quotation, and if yeah, so you must be sure that you all use only one quotation. So here p equal to Python, and so you can do the concatenation is a plus b equal to hello Python, and you can also include here like a space, and you when see hello space and Python and a star 2, you see the hello hello, which this is a repetition the string, and for example here the in, like a in b is false, but a not in b is true, right? But here we can check that the p, for example, in the a is false, right? Because this string is hello, and the p in the b is true, right? Because this b is Python. Okay. The next thing is about the escape characters. So escape are non-printable characters that can be represented with the backslash notation. So it includes the bell alert, backspace, the escape, the form fit, new line, caret return, space, the top, and vertical top. So for example, here I have to print out a sentence like this. This is a sentence with a tab, backslash t, and a new line backslash n at the same time. Okay, you can guess the output of this comment. Okay, let's do it. Here we see the sentence is printed out, but it's a little bit weird, right? Here this is a sentence with a tab, and here we don't see anything. This is actually a tab specified by the backslash t here, and a new line, and here we don't see anything, and it's starting here. So this is the backslash n is start a new line, and so that string is print out on the screen. It looks like this. So okay, so you can try yourself